Cinderella admired how the animals all worked together like a family. Slowly, with very small breaths, the frog brought the elephant back to the ground safely. The elephant was so happy that she immediately hugged Cinderella. "Thank you, Cinderella. If you hadn't noticed me, that balloon would have burst and I would have fallen to the ground." "You're fine now. But you have to thank not only me, but also Tiddalik and the pigeons." After the elephant kissed the pigeons with her trunk, she gave to the frog Tiddalik his favorite thing.
"Water! I was already very thirsty again." Ah.